This is Mike Callahan, Dr. File Finder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com tutorial on how to have Facebook on your Android phone. Now I'm on my Droid in the Android App Store. Here is Facebook for Android. It's free. I have it installed already. We'll take a look at it. Now here it is on my Droid. I'll just tap on the Facebook icon. Now you see here you can have access to your news feeds, your friends, photos. You can take a photo and send it up to Facebook, your profile, and notifications. We'll just take a peek at news feeds, tap on that. And there's Andy Walker's made some comments on Digg and what is hypertext. You can press the back button to go back to the previous screen. You can tap on photos. Let's do that. You can see here are all my photos, profile pictures, mobile uploads, my carving from 2009, family, and so on. Once again, press the back button on your Android phone to go back. And then you can go in and poke around on your profile, your notifications, your friends, and so on. So this is a quick look at having Facebook on your Android phone. If you're a big user of Facebook, you're going to want to take it with you on your Android. And now you can. That's Facebook on the Android phone, and that's all there is to it.